Shall I? Don't get in it then. Should you go? Nah, the seagull is not coming to Nicky. It is! Whoa, ninja! Mark's like, well, waiting for the swoop. It's coming, it's coming. It's after the bacon. Been trying to attack us for about 10 minutes. Look at him. Scaring me. They're going round for the loop, they are. It's mate. Yeah, it's going to do a sweep, it's going to do a sweep. Whoa, it's going to get it! Oh, nice timing, Marsh. Where have they gone? Circling. For another try. Oh. It's like attacking the birds. They're going crazy for a bit of bacon. Oh, I've been throwing crabs at them, they're not bothered. He's coming again. We're being circled by the seagulls after the bacon. Oh man, she's just in time then. Look at him up there, stalking. Turn your back for a minute and nicking the food. Here it comes for another go. Don't trust you, Marsh. Right, come over here. Should we have a race to the bacon for the birds against human? See if the seagull will beat us. Or we'll slip and fall in the Conwy River. Yeah, they've decided who's having the bacon before it's even been dished out. They are fighting. Packing order, innit? It's like I'm first, I've been waiting for ages. I'm gonna get the bacon, birdies. Don't want it? No. I don't know. They've all moved on now, sick of the taste of the bacon. Right, they're gone again. See if you can get it to come back. Whoa, what's that floating in the water there? Oh shit. Bloody hell, that looks like a crocodile. Oh, it's coming! Swoop of the air! Marsh, I swear you're gonna annoy him that much, you know. I reckon they're gonna peck you. No, they will. Nasty. Try to poo on us. Stop it with the bloody fishing rod. The fishing net. What if you caught one in it? Oh. Oh. Right, it's down. Bird against human. It's a race to the bacon. Oh, I beat it. Oh, my days are all here now. Brothers, sisters, aunties, nephews, uncles. Oh, no! Jesus Christ, what are you doing? Oh, my days. Marsh, I think we've got Marsh. I think they're getting annoyed. Oh, no. this one here, shit! Ah, fucking Marsh, I swear they're coming. I'm getting a bit scared, Marsh. They're sweeping me from behind. You really can't hit one of them birds with that net. No, you can't. I can't let you do that, Marsh. It's just cruel. I mean it. I don't mind you threatening them, but just don't hit them. Yes, he got it! Whoa, well caught. Marsh, look at that one. It's in a mood. Oh! I think they're getting bored here. Right, half of them are going now. Right. You got some more? Oh, that was flipping hilarious. I'm scared, eh? Marsh, I swear that seagull there's going to start me from behind. That one, nasty news. Oh, it's getting windy. Oh, has it fell in? It's laughing at you. Did you hear that seagull then? Actually, it was laughing at you. Oh, sun's coming out. About time. Where's that seagull gone? Still waiting, stalking. It's after the bread. Shaky buggers. Where's the cormorant? If you can see that. Whoosh! That bird's got stamina, Marsh. I was going to have you off behind your back then. Just changed its mind at the last second. Yeah, that current's getting a bit ridiculous. I want to try and catch it coming swooping in. Mind you, I'm going to need to film it that way, aren't I? Oh. Right, go on, do it again. I'll see if I can catch it. See if you can get a bird to catch it again. Oh. Right, go on, on the loop. It's coming, it's coming. Oh, look at that. It's come back round, Marsh. He wants it. That one wants it. Has it got in? Did you get it? Go on. Whoa! That would have been funny. Oh, was that a crash? It was. See, it's after you. I don't want to look at it. Oh, has it got in? Hey, the sea's coming in, you know. Yeah, Marsh, all them rocks are Marsh. The sea's coming in. Okay. Have you got it, Ken?